Ang lakas ng loob ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Di natatakot kung atakihin man tayo ng China. Bakit? Opisyal na kasing kinumpirma ng Naval News at Armed Forces of the Philippines na nasa bansa na ang Tomahawk cruise missile ng US Army. Hindi medium range, kundi long range ballistic missile. Kaya lang naman itong targetin ang anumang barko ng China Coast Guard na nasa West Philippine Sea. Posibleng gamitin to kung may mamatay mang sundalo sa ating hanay. Tiyak a-action daw agad ang US dyan. Di na raw kailangan ng utos pa ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Magkukusa ang US na atakihin ang China Coast Guard. Ito pala ang dahilan ba't nasa bansa na ang gantong klaseng armas ng Estados Unidos.
I think Secretary Austin explained it very well. If any serviceman, Filipino serviceman is killed by an attack from any foreign power, then that is time to invoke the Mutual Defense Treaty. When do you invoke the Mutual Defense Treaty? When does it kick into action? And he said that if a Filipino serviceman is killed because of an attack or an aggressive action by another foreign power.
Sobrang dismayado si PBBM. Ramdam nito na mukhang totoo ang pinagsasabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry na pinangako ni Duterte. Na ibenta ba o sinanglalang? Yan ang inaalam pa ng gobyerno. Pero kung napag-alaman na totoo ang secret deal agreement, tiyak malaking kaparusahan ang haharapin ni Duterte. Pero ano kaya ang ikakaso kay former President Duterte? Kulong panghabang buhay o ipatapon na lang sa China para magkasama silang dalawa ng amo niya na si Xi Jinping.
Now we can see that in fact there was a secret agreement. And what verifies that and what I think for me at least convinces me that there was in fact a secret agreement is the insistence of the Chinese government that there was a secret agreement. I do not think the Chinese government, I don't think Beijing will just make up and just out of nowhere say there was a secret agreement when there was no such thing. All right, so I think to my mind that is sufficient to me to prove to me that there was such an agreement. The second question I need answered is, what is contained in that secret agreement? What did we agree to? And why did we agree to that? What exactly is it that we compromised? Number two. Number three, and this is a critical question, why did you keep it secret? Why is there not one single document that contains that agreement? Why is there not one shred of evidence that can show that this agreement exists? Why, when the transition period between the previous administration to this administration, did no one mention a secret agreement? Why was it kept secret? These are very simple questions, but I'm finding a great deal of difficulty finding answers for them, because I hear one thing and another thing and another thing and another thing. It's all very maraming palusot. In other words, I don't know how to translate that in English, but maraming palusot.
Wala sigurong gulo sa West Philippine Sea ngayon kung hindi dahil kay Duterte. Pinapasok kasi nito ang mga Chinese. Budol is real, ika nga. Dinudol tayong lahat ng mga Pilipino. O kaya sa susunod na eleksyon ha, baka iboto nyo pa ang mga Duterte. Sige, bahala kayo, baka sa susunod alipin na tayong lahat ng mga Chinese.